We are looking out to the west at some mostly cloudy skies in Fargo. It's been relatively quiet for us in Fargo and other parts of the Southern Valley as our storm system that's been moving in has mainly been affecting the north as it continues to move through. So let's take a look at where we're being affected here. We've got the North Dakota DOT map up. Anywhere you see purple, that's where we've got some areas of snow on the road, and that's much of the Devil's Lake area expanding eastward now. Where we see yellow, that's icing, and blue is wet road surfaces, and that's around Grand Forks here. A little tough to make out, but you can see that it's northeastern North Dakota in our viewing area that's being impacted. And here's a DOT cam view of the rest area just east of Devil's Lake. You can see it's a winter wonderland there right now, and on the radar, lots of blue up in the Northern Valley. The focus has been Highway 2 essentially. It's following right along that and north, except for our western viewing area where we'll see some of this snow impact to the Jamestown area heading into the afternoon. This will mainly be a Northern Valley event during the daytime hours today. Southern Valley, we're seeing some sprinkles here and there, but it may not be until late tonight we'll see the snow, and we'll show you that in your hour-by-hour planner in just a moment. But here's a look at your snow right now in the north, where you see these darker blues and even some flecks of white. That's where we've got some banding happening, a heavier band of snow over Thief River Falls, northern parts of Polk County, northern Grand Forks County. Grand Forks looks like we're starting to see some snow now as opposed to the rain we had a little bit earlier. And then this stretches back over into the Devil's Lake area, and of course other places picking up the snow too. So expanding the view, it's a big system. Most of that heavy snow again in the Northern Valley and out to the west, and gradually this will shift eastward, and you can see it extends down toward Bismarck. So eventually that will all work its way through the Southern Valley as we head into the later hours tonight. Temperatures, there's a big range. We're at 40 right now in Fargo. We're at 30 in Devil's Lake. It's only 10 degrees, but we know that makes a huge difference when we're talking about precipitation type. We're looking at snow up to the north and some accumulation happening there. That's also where our visibility is down, where the snow is falling. We're less than a mile in a lot of those locations, half mile in Langdon and in Devil's Lake. Our wind isn't that strong just yet. We're starting to see some winds pick up in Gwinner and Oaks out of the east, gusting into the low 20s. As we head further into the day, we'll see those winds pick up on the backside of this system. That will start to increase. So here's your 4 o'clock hour. You can see the snow again mainly impacting the north and the west. And as we head into the evening, that's when it starts to sweep through parts of the south. So that's when we see our chances for snow increase in the Southern Valley. It might initially be rain before it changes over as that colder air moves through. And then this continues until late tonight. This is 10 o'clock. That snow's still ongoing at that point. And then the system pulls away, and we're going to watch that move on. Where the snow is falling, when the wind picks up tonight, we're going to see our visibility really drop. So it's going to have some impacts on travel for a time. Tomorrow morning, starting off the day around 6 a.m., things are looking a lot quieter as far as the snow is concerned, but it's still breezy. So we're going to have some wind impacting your morning and making it feel quite cold with that wind coming in out of the north. We're going to be dealing with some lower wind chills and temperatures that stay below freezing for the day tomorrow in the wake of this system. So here's our additional snowfall potential. We've already seen a good amount up in Devil's Lake and Langdon. We'd love to get your reports. If you'd like to share those with us, head to our Facebook page. But we'll add to that with some areas in that 2 to 5 inch range here in the Northern Valley, and everywhere we have the potential for at least seeing a dusting of snow. Some places will be getting a lot more again up north. Checking out your 7-day planner. We're going to cool things down again for tomorrow, and then the rest of the week looks great. Heading into the weekend, partly cloudy, mostly sunny, and temperatures right up to about 40 degrees. Looking really good for the coming weekend. Just got to get through the next 24 hours or so.
All right. Thank you, Lisa.